Hi friends, I'm Dr. Ashwini Das. I'm plastic surgeon and cosmetic surgeon in Indore. I'm director of Life Aesthetic Cosmetic and Laser Center and Women Health Care Center at Indore. As you know, that there has been series telling you and bringing out the information to you people about various procedures that has been involved in plastic surgery and cosmetic surgery. Time to time we have been posting this type of videos about that. In that same sequence, we have got today's video which calls for the information about the anti-aging therapy. What is that anti-aging therapy means? Anti-aging therapy is like as the time passes, person obviously grows old and the age shows on the face. Sometimes it happens, person starts looking aged, and nowadays when the sleeps are disturbed and the work stress is more, and this is the era of extra stress, which was obviously not there 20 to 25 years ago. Person starts looking aged from the face at earlier ages. This is all observation around the world. So there have been, according to the need, many things have been developed. Anti-aging therapy as such, it consists of two type of therapy that has been provided under plastic surgery schedule. And first type is provided in OPD basis. That means you walk into the office of the doctor, you talk to him, you decide about the procedure, you get the procedure done, and you go back to your home. That is known as outdoor patient procedures. Now what are these outdoor procedures and to which patient these are being given? The outdoor procedure basically are meant for the people who are relatively of the younger age, with better skin quality and with lesser of the deformity. For example, if the person is like 30-year-old and he looks like 40 or 45 whatsoever, he has developed fine wrinkles, he has developed many blemishes on the face and forehead and eye area. Eyes are baggy and your skin is a bit loose. Second category would be the person who has suddenly lost the weight and the skin elasticity is not to redrape the face which has just lost the fat. So under obvious circumstances, the deformity is less and the person is young, and mostly he will be compliant to any of the procedure that is being done minimalistic, in a minimalistic way. That means we can help him without getting him admitted or without advising any of the greater procedures. Here, my friends, in Life Aesthetic, we have been giving array of treatment modules which are on the OPD basis. Just to name the few to start, my personal favorite is PRP. That is one of the component of your own blood that has been separated by the procedure of centrifugation, and with the help of centrifuge machine we separate the yellow part of the blood from the rest of the part of the blood, and we call it PRP, that is platelet derived factors. This solution is very rich in platelet derived product, and it is very rich in protein as well as many such components which are very much essential for your skin to look younger. So this PRP is one of my favorite procedure, which is done completely on the OPD basis, and it's great. Talk about face, talk about scalp, talk about your neck area, and at the many times lips and eyelids, they are also included. And actually I'm very happy with the PRP, it being slightly painful but very effective therapy for scalp and face. Second procedure, my friends, will be like what we are offering here is derma rollers. Derma rollers is second modality of treatment that has been provided in the OPD basis. As you can see in this video, there is a component that is known as derma roller. This equipment rolls down your face or scalp or any area affected with fine wrinkles and non-vitalized skin. While it rolls down, it makes numerous pores, small and big. And the fourth modality of treatment, which is available under the same roof, will be the derma fillers. Now what are these derma fillers? Derma fillers are silicone and silicone derivative which are non-absorbable by your skin. Your body cannot absorb it obviously there are few of the folds over here, like these are nasolabial folds. There are few of the folds on the both the side of the lips, and there may be few of the extra scars or visible folds on the forehead or the side of the eyes and all those areas. These products are commercially available under the different name, and these products are FDA approved. That means totally safe for your body, that stays here for many years without getting absorbed in the body. So obviously when injected underneath the skin, it takes care of the fold and scars and wrinkles in a very nice way. It camouflage it, make it very smooth, make the skin of your place shiny and more like youthful look. So derma filler is safe, that's why we have uptaken it to be given under OPD basis, and it is really helpful. So friends, what we have got here is fractional CO2 laser. This is one kind of laser. Basically all over the world is being used for facial rejuvenation. That is to remove the blemishes, to reduce the marks, and to give an anti-aging therapy for fine wrinkles. And now we can give it on the OPD basis to the patient which have actually fine wrinkles. Mostly it is being done painlessly by applying anesthetic ointment over your face. That stays for 40 minutes. So let's say procedure in all takes approximately 1 hour. We call the patient, we make him sit for 40 minutes with anesthetic application on their face, and then we bring them here to give laser. Mostly whole of the face is being treated. Few of the patient would prefer the neck area as well as other areas like forehead and all. But the facial fractional CO2 laser is absolutely a joy to get. You might get few of the itching, few of the redness over your face and treated area for 24 to 48 hours. But that actually overweighs the benefit you get from this machine. The machine works like that. This is the imported machine for laser, fractional CO2, high-end machine, and it gives that kind of red rays in the area of the treated. I have not obviously switched on the machine, otherwise I can get laser treatment on my hand. It works like that, and after that, when the area is treated, we apply cold ice on that so that the area is showing less sign of inflammation, and mostly patient is benefited with almost negligible pain. So this is what we do for facial rejuvenation in the patients who have got low grades of changes on the face and skin, and it's a gold standard in anti-aging fine wrinkle treatment all over the world. So dear friends, this is my fifth modality of facial rejuvenation in OPD cases. You can come, get treated, and go back to your home without much of the pain or discomfort. This is like SUV of non-surgical facial rejuvenation. Till now what I have been talking about the removal of wrinkles, blemishes and all, but sometime at the initial stages too, in young patient, the loose or the wrinkle of the skin might not be due to the superficial things. That might be deeper than the skin, its inner layers, and even maybe on the muscle or the fat plates. So what do we do? This machine, what it does is for you is it tightens the deeper fascia of your face, neck, arms, legs, thighs and abdomen. It works at 3 different or 4 different levels, starting from 1.3 mm to 4.5 mm. That can go that deep, and basically friends, this is completely safe as the technology is based on ultrasound modality of delivering of thermal energy into the deeper tissues. So what we have got here is completely imported unit working for you right here in the Indore, and it can actually tighten the deeper part of your body's face, neck as well as forehead. It like tightens your fascia, so your skin overneath it obviously feels like it is tightened and it is more shiny, more youthful, and you feel looking at yourself losing your saddle bags under the eyes, your hanging arms, your loose neck, your loose forehead, or sagging eyebrows. All this part which makes you almost like look older than your age. So what we have got here is very gold standard therapy and very safe therapy. It is completely painless. For that matter, I would say that this is even less painful or nagging to the patient in comparison to the laser device what I have shown earlier. So let's say what we have got here is the gold standard therapy for you, for the young people who are at the very initial stage of their losing the youthful look. Beyond this, friends, all the things that have been are mainly surgical. So these modalities which can be offered anywhere, you go to USA, you go to Japan, you go to France or anywhere, these modalities which can be given to treat your aging face and neck and other part of the body is available right here in Life Aesthetics at very reasonable cost just for you.